morning, everybody. Good morning, grade 7. How are you? I hope that you enjoy the vacation, but we need to work hard in the vacation house. This vacation is not for sleeping. This vacation we need to do something is very important. This one is talking about time management. So I need you to sleep, I need you to have fun, but I need you to work out. Let's look to this video and watch it, okay?
People who are successful both at work and at home manage their time well. One of the first steps towards successful time management is to identify how you spend your time. Try keeping a log of how you spend your day. Write down how much time you spend doing things like working, watching television, or running errands. Once you have a record of how you spend a typical day, follow these steps to learn to manage your time more effectively. First, make a list of your tasks. Then, estimate how much time you spend on each task. Eliminate unnecessary tasks from your list. In some cases, you may be able to delegate tasks to other people. Prioritize your tasks by numbering them in order of importance. If you have difficulty establishing what's most important, ask yourself what on the list is absolutely necessary to fulfill your needs. Small changes to your daily routine can also help free up more of your time. Getting up just an hour earlier can make a big difference in how your day is structured. You have more time for life's unplanned emergencies, such as car trouble, childcare issues, sickness, or miscellaneous errands. TVs, computers, and mobile devices can be a distraction when they're not being used for anything productive. Consider limiting how much time you spend using them. Keep a calendar of important professional and personal appointments and events. Whether it's a desk planner or a smartphone app, choose the type that will be easiest for you to maintain on a regular basis. Practicing effective time management will allow you to spend more time on the things that matter to you most, whether it's a hobby, time with family and friends, or even just some more time for yourself.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.
Okay, grade 7. Now we will need to go to our lesson. Our lesson today is we'll be talking about what? This one is we'll be talking about how we can solving inequality of two steps. So our lesson today is we'll be talking about solving inequality of two steps. Firstly, I need to make a revision about some examples. We studied them before, so be with me, please. If he gives me example by this shape, my friend, he gives me what? The first one, negative 3x is greater than or equal 9. How I can solve this? Look with me. We will have negative 3x here is greater than or equal 9. So we will start to divide the both sides. This one will be divided by negative 3, and the other side here will be divided by negative 3. So again, what we do, we will divide both sides by negative 3. We said in this case, what we will do, negative 3 will be cancelled with negative 3. I will divide it by the same number to cancel that. But x here will be still alone. Here we have 9 divided by negative 3. What happened? We will have both divided by negative, because we have unlike sign, it gives me negative. So both of divided by negative give me negative. 9 divided by 3 equal what? Equal 3. What happened now, my friend? Look with me. Because we will divide it by negative, as we said before, we will inverse the sign. So this one will be greater than converted to less than or equal. So x here in this case will be less than or equal what? X is less than or equal negative 3. So look here, this sign open its mouth to x. Now we have this one, will be open its mouth to the other direction. So x here is less than. So we will draw the number line how? We will draw the number line as a straight line. We said that yesterday, we will put negative 3 in the middle. After that, we will get the number which is greater than negative 3. Like what? Negative 2 is greater than negative 3. Negative 1, 0, and 1. In the other direction, what we will have, that we have the number which is smaller than this. So we have negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. He said for me that I need x is less than negative 3. X is less than or equal negative 3, so we will take negative 3 because we have it. So we will take this number because we have it. And we'll take negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and we'll go in this direction. So because we have the less than, so this one, it means I will go in the left direction. If we have another example, look with me, my friend. If he gives me that, I have the other example is will be that the essential question is will be what does mean the two quantities are unequal. We said that yesterday. If we have one is larger than one, so the sign here is will be by this way. I have x here is will be not equal to 3. This one is will be greater than 3. So if x is will be greater than 3, it will be I will take from 3 and will go to the right. So if I have x is less than 3, so I will start from 3, we will go to the left. So we have here this one, it means I have unequal position. So what we need to learn today? We need to learn today what? Look with me please carefully. To solve that. To solve two steps inequality. So our lesson today is will be talking about what, my friend? This one is will be talking about how we can solving two steps inequality. What our vocabulary here? The vocabulary here is will be how we can solve the two steps inequality. The meaning is will be how we can solving that. For an example, if he gives me example by this shape, I have here what? I have 3x plus 4 is will be greater than or equal 16. So I need to solve this inequality. He said for me, solve the inequality and grab the solution set on the number line. So what we will do in this case, we will write firstly the inequality. So the step number 1, I need you to write the inequality. Add it is, it doesn't change anything. Number 2, we will add negative 4 for the both sides. So the second step here is will be what? The second step here, my friend, is will be adding negative 4 for the both sides. So add negative 4 here, why? Because I need to cancel this 4. Because I need to cancel the positive 4 here, so this positive 4 is will be what? This one I will subtract 4 from the both of them to cancel the positive 4. The step number 3, I add the 2. So if I add them, I have 3x is will be greater than 12. So this one, if I add negative 4 to the right and negative 4 for the left, we have here what? Now we have 3x is will be greater than 12. Take care, please with me. Firstly, I cancel plus or minus. Firstly, I will need to cancel plus or minus. The second step, we will do what? The second step is will be cancel the division or cancel the multiplying. How? I have here 3x now greater than or equal to 12. After I add negative 4, the inequality converts to this situation. After that, what we will do, I need to divide the both sides by 3. And because we have 3 is a positive number and I will divide it over that, I doesn't invert the situation. So we have here what? Look with me. We will divide the both sides by 3. What we will do after that? We have here x is greater than or equal 4. We have here x is greater than or equal 4. So if I need to draw that over the number line, look with me, I need x is greater than 4 or equal, right? So we'll start from 4, look with me, I will start from 4 here, and we will have here that 4, and we'll take all of the number in the right. So because we have here that x is greater than or equal 4, so I need here that all the number is greater than 4 and will go in the right direction. So take care, because we have is greater than, we will go to the right. And because we have equal, we take the number. So if I have equal, take the number, don't forget, take the number, and we will go to the right direction. Another example, my friend. He gives me here that I need to solve in 2x plus 1 is will be less than 8. How I can solve this? I have the example. It said what? 2x plus 1 is less than less than 11. Yes. I need to solve this one, my friend. So we said the step number one, what we will do. The step number one, I need to cancel the positive one. So I need to cancel the positive one, add for the both sides negative one. Add negative one here and add negative one here. So we will make what again? We will add negative one for the both sides. If I add negative one for the both sides, what happens now? This positive one and negative one will be cancelled together. So we need to cancel this positive one and negative one for the both sides. After that, the inequality after the addition will becomes 2x is less than 11 minus 1, it will be equal what? It will be equal 10. 11 minus 1 equal 10. So 2x is less than 10. I don't need this 2. This 2 have what? This one will be have multiplication. So 2 times x is less than 10. Divided here by 2 and divided there by 2. Here, divided by 2 and there divided by 2. The both sides must be divided over the same number, 2. So I have here what? I have here x is less than what? 10 divided by 2, it will be equal 5. I have here only x is less than 5. What I will do now, I will draw a number line. And after we will draw the number line, I will put 5 in the middle. What we have after that, I will have the number greater. The greater, I don't use it, but we must write this number. It will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, we'll go to the smaller number. What is the smaller number? This will be 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. We have here equal? No. This one has no equal. So we don't have equal here, we don't take 5. You need the number which is less than 5, right? So we'll take 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and 0, and we'll go in this direction. So because we don't have equal here, I don't have equal, right? So we don't have equal, we don't take 5. We don't have equal, we don't take 5. And we'll take all the number which is less than that number 5. It will be 4 and the less than. So if I need the solution set, my friend here, look with me, the answer will be what? The answer will be less than 5. And we'll take this number, but because we're working over the integer, we don't take 5. I will take from 4 and more than this. Here, I need you now to try to think about this question. I have here what? 5 plus 4x is less than 33. I give you only 1 minute. And the best, we solve it faster than this. Thank you for your time. Hurry up, please. Don't waste your time. The best is solve it in time less than 1 minute. Excellent, my friend. Who can tell me? I have the inequality here. I have 5 plus 4x is less than 33, right? How I cancel this? I cancel 4? No. We said that I will cancel the plus or minus number. So we need here to cancel 4. No, I need to cancel this number. It will be 5. So this number 5 is positive. Why 5 is positive? Because we don't have here a sign. This sign is not written. This sign is not written, but I will have this number is 5. So I will make here minus 5 and will make here minus 5. So we will add for the both sides negative 5, or we make minus 5 for the both sides. So after that, what we will do, we will add them together. So 5 will be cancelled with 5. I add this number by the opposite sign because I need to cancel this. After that, my friend, I have 4x is less than 33 minus 5. This will be equal what? Look with me. It will be equal 28. Excellent. You tell me this one is 4x is less than 28. We need now to divide this number. We need to divide it by what? I need to cancel this 4, so I will divide it here by 4, and I will divide it here by 4. Divided the both number by 4. If I will divide the both number by 4, I have here x is less than what? 28 divided by 7, excellent. It will be less than 7. Excellent, grade 7. After that, what we will make? I need x is less than 7. Draw the number line. Draw the number line. And after that, we will have what, my friend? I will put 7 in the middle, as we said that before. Right is greater, left is smaller. Right is greater, each 1 centimeter we let one number. So we have 8 here, and we have 9, and we have 10, we have 11. So you need x is less than 7. X is less than 7, my friend. What we will make? We will make that. Take 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. So we need the number which is less than 7 to be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And after that we will go to the negative. Okay? So this is the method of solving of the inequality of the 2 steps. I need you to grade 7, working hard, and I need you to solving our worksheet, which we will send it today on the website of the school. So they are private school, the American division. Please solve this worksheet and the electronic exam. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your vacation.